Let's make a book cover. This is your library page. The first step in creating a book is clicking New Book. There are plenty of size choices. Or, you can press templates and explore many creative options to help your project. I am going to use the size portrait to make my book's cover page. To find your creative tools, click the plus. Under Pen, we can fill our background by clicking these two icons, then the page. This is also the space to add fun images to your book. My book is about cats, so I will place a cat emoji somewhere on the front. Notice, you can change the size, direction, and location. Pressing done when I like it. Next I am going to select Text to add my title. Here I can change the size of the text if it helps me see better, and bold and italicize my text. Pressing done when my title is complete. When back on the front page, I can press the I button to further change my title. I can change the color, size, font, and more. Here, you can play around and see what else sparks your creativity. I am going to add a shadow to my title. And move the location. Now I am going to add some images from the web. I am searching cat cartoons, as it is fitting to my book's theme. You can select as many images as you want, or go one by one. I am going to add these 3 photos to my front page. Once they download, I can set them aside to decide where I want to place and arrange them. I have an idea. Now I have to move my title to a new spot. Love it. What else do we need? That's right, the author's name. I am going to select Text, and keep it simple. Move it to where I want it. Add a drawing of your own.